Greetings and welcome back to another almost daily vlog. Today I just show you how to assemble another faction of Nightmare Quest. Nightmare Quest, remember, is a box set for warcry system. In this video I show you how to assemble Royal Beastflayers. It's a little warband. It's, for me, I think it's perfect for Mordheim, but in this case it's perfect for warcry. For me, warcry and Mordheim is similar. Okay, let's start the video. Okay, for this evening I finish. I'm so tired. Tomorrow I will finish this warband. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, another day, another part of this almost daily vlog. Okay, after 2 days I just assembled this fantastic model and I can't wait to paint these miniatures with green stuff world product. I add some skulls to give a personal effect. Okay, this is the end of this video. I hope that you like. and in the next video I will show you how to paint with all Grimdark World product these fantastic miniatures. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye!